Hey healthy wealthy fam, what if I told you your body has a built-in cleanup crew, working non-stop to detox, repair, and even rejuvenate your cells? That process is called autophagy, and today we're diving into how it works, why it matters, and how to unleash its full power. Let's get into it. Autophagy literally means self-eating. It's your cell's way of breaking down and recycling damaged or malfunctioning components, like old proteins and worn-out organelles, to generate fresh building blocks and energy. Here's why autophagy is your secret weapon for health. Detoxifies cells, clears out toxic protein aggregates linked to diseases like Alzheimer's, boosts energy efficiency, recycles components into fuel, helping you feel more energized and resilient, supports muscle recovery, removes damaged proteins after workouts, speeding up repair and growth, promotes longevity. Animal studies link activated autophagy to longer lifespan and healthier aging, enhances immunity, clears intracellular pathogens, and supports a robust immune response. You don't need a lab. Here's how to switch on autophagy naturally. Intermittent fasting. 16, 8 or 18. 6 fasting windows encourage cells to enter cleanup mode. Exercise. High-intensity intervals and resistance training both stimulate autophagy in muscle and liver. Low-carb, ketogenic eating. Ketone production during carb restriction amplifies autophagic signaling. Time-restricted eating. Align your meals to daylight hours. Early dinner, no late-night snacks. Autophagy is powerful, but proceed mindfully. Ease in. Start with 12-14-hour fasts before longer windows. Stay hydrated. Water, tea, and electrolyte balance are key. Listen to your body. Lightheaded? Break your fast with a nutrient-dense meal. Consult your doc, especially if you're pregnant, diabetic, or have medical conditions. Autophagy is your body's master mechanic, cleaning, repairing, and optimizing from the inside out. By harnessing fasting, exercise, and smart nutrition, you can turbocharge this process for better health, performance, and longevity. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, share with someone ready to level up their health, and subscribe for more science-backed wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy, stay wealthy, and stay unstoppable.